Excuse me, I'm not sure if I landed in the right city. Is this Cape Town, South Africa? Really? Why is there so many white people here? Wow, they even have cars here. Wow, and even real brick buildings. Amazing. Oh no, there's a prison right next to my hotel. Look at that security. Oh no, wait, it's a kindergarten? I didn't fly 20 hours in the middle to see some super villas. Where's the bongos? Where's the elephants? Where's the mud huts? What? Women don't have to stop at a red light when driving? That's not fair.